Thank you for driving me to work.
You know this is my day off, Sheldon.
Oh, good. I'm not keeping you from anything. Your check engine light is on.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, that's an indicator to, check your engine.
It's fine. It's been on for like a month.
Well, actually, that would be all the more reason to, check your engine.
Sheldon, it's fine.
If it were fine, the light wouldn't be on. That's why the manufacturer installed that light, to let you know it's not fine.
I don't know, maybe the light's broken.
Is there a check the check engine light?
Leonard to do it, but he seemed a bit emotionally unstable, and you don't want someone like that operating heavy machinery.
No, you do not.
Your check engine light is on.
Yeah, I gotta put a sticker over that. So, you must be devastated about your divorce.
Oh, not at all. But I am a bit distressed to be in a vehicle that's not subjected to regular maintenance.
But, come on, I mean, you're not upset that your marriage is over?
Well, initially I felt something akin to grief and perhaps anger, but that's the natural reaction of the limbic system to being betrayed by a loathsome son of a bitch.
Sure.
Thankfully, my shock was somewhat mitigated by the fact that I haven't had intercourse with him in 8 years.
8 years?
Oh, that's nothing. I've been responsible for my own orgasm since 1982.
Yikes. What's so funny?
So, Amy, Sheldon tells me you're a neuro something or other?
Neurobiologist. Your check engine light is on.
Yeah, it's okay.
But the light indicates...
Don't bother. I've wasted many an hour tilting at that particular windmill.
What is that scent you're wearing? It smells great.
Dandruff shampoo. I have dry scalp.
Ah, well, your hair looks very nice.
Are you a homosexual?
No, I was just giving you a compliment.
Would have been more flattered if you were a homosexual.
I'm sufficiently fast. What's that?
Nothing. The engine does that sometimes.
That can't be nothing. The check engine light is on. We need to find a service station.
No, the light's been on since I bought the car.
It's all the more reason to consult with a mechanic before it explodes.
It's not gonna explode. Just keep driving. Warp speed ahead, Mr. Spock.
Mr. Spock did not pilot the Enterprise. He was a science officer. And I guarantee you that if he ever saw the Enterprise's check engine light blinking, he would pull the ship over immediately.
Oh, God, I'm gonna lose the arm.
Dog up, red light, release accelerator, and slowly apply the brake. Nailed it.
Thanks again for taking me to the pharmacy.
Oh, it's no problem. Is everything okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's just some stomach medication for my trip. There's a remote yet distinct possibility that I may end up in South America.
Remember the old days when I would have said something dumb like, why? That doesn't sound good.
Remember the old days when I used to point out that your check engine light was on?
Yes.
Now get ready to stroll down memory lane. Penny, your check engine
Yeah,
light.
I know it's on, Sheldon. Oh, no. I cannot afford this right now.
Maybe it's just something minor. Oh, good news. The light just went out.